This occurs to me a lot of times. I often take something from my work table and misplace it elsewhere. This habit of myself turned out to be extremely annoying since I always ended up wasting a lot of time searching for these things. In order to help myself with this habit, I made a simple electronic circuit. This circuit uses infrared beam to monitor. When I take an object out of its place, this circuit will alert me with LED blink, or we can use any other indication for that matter. This alert will turn off after I place the object back in its position. Not only this kept me aware of my mistake, but saved me tons of time which I spend on searching for these things. In this video, I will show you how to build one of these for yourself. Let's get started. The whole idea of this project is to use an infrared transmitter which emits infrared beam and a detector to pick up the incident IR beam. When this IR beam is obstructed by our things, then the detector will trigger an alert to the user by means of an indicator. This indicator can be anything from simple LEDs to buzzer or speaker or motor and so on. I have initially tried this infrared module which is readily available in the market, but unfortunately this doesn't do good since darker colored objects doesn't reflect IR beams. Also, their working range is too low. These are the circuit diagram for this project. This is for the infrared transmitter circuit, whereas this circuit is a combination of IR detector and multivibrator. I've explained about the working of this circuit in detail in the form of an article. You can find the link to that article in the description below. Let's take a look at the materials and tools required for this project. I'm going to assemble these circuits in a general PCB board now. The circuit modules are now ready. This is the IR receiver and multivibrator unit, and this one is IR transmitter. I have designed PCB boards for these two circuit modules. You can download the Gerber files of those PCB boards in the link given in the description below. If you want to order these PCBs, I would suggest you to do it via JLCPCB. Their high quality build and quick turnaround time always makes them my best choice when it comes to PCB manufacturers. You can place order with them via the link given in the description below. Next thing is that I need to prepare a small platform to place these circuit modules. I want this platform to be only about 15 cm in length, which will suffice my need. So I cut out a cardboard of appropriate length. Now that the cardboard sheet is ready, IR LED and photodiode must be properly aligned for this project to work. So I'm gonna mark the areas to cut the cardboard in order to place the circuit modules. This will ensure proper alignment of these modules. Let's cut the marked portion out from the cardboard sheet. Now I'm gonna cover this cardboard with black sheet to give a nice look. Use common adhesive to stick the black sheet over it. So the platform which is gonna hold these modules and the object is now ready. Before placing the module in it, I'm gonna cover the sides of photodiode with heat shrink tube, leaving only the top section of photodiode exposed to light. I am doing this to avoid photodiode from reacting to ambient light, which will impact the resulting voltage. Place both the modules in the platform and check whether the modules are properly aligned. This platform I made out of cardboard is not really necessary. I have made it because monitoring the objects in my entire work table is not something I need. You can still place these modules in your shelf or table or wherever you want, provided that IR LED and photodiode are properly aligned. For the purpose of indicator, I have chosen a simple red LED. I have cut out small piece from cardboard to fix this LED along with the current limiting resistor and couple of wires to connect with the receiver circuit. Now every piece of circuit is ready. Let's connect these with wires. Now the circuit is ready. Let's test this by placing different objects in the path of IR beam between transmitter and receiver circuit modules. As you can see, I have placed my pen stand in between these circuits and LED is in off state. But when I take the pen stand off from the path of beam, LED starts blinking to alert the user, indicating the misplacement. The LED blink will only cease after I place the pen holder in its place. This works for a variety of objects like coffee cups, reference books, calculator, camera pouch, marker pens, and so on. You can try out alternate indicators like buzzers, speakers, motors, and so on. You can get as creative as you can in choosing these indicators. Hope you like this project. Do check out the links in the description for explanation on working of these circuits. Like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more electronic circuits, projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.